Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track radio out of a 66 T-Bird. It's now an AM FM 8-track with Bluetooth and USB reader. And this comes from Ed in Hudson, Florida. It's out of a 66 T-Bird, as I already mentioned. Thank you, Ed, for your business all the way from Florida. That's all the way across the country. And so we're here to make sure it all works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so let's turn it on.
With those,
so AM.
It's much easier. I just cleared out all of that.
Take a look at our
pumpkin vines are so easy to
speaker
clear.
balance.
Just one
balance
huge
left.
20-foot vine. Take it out there, and the
right.
whole garden's cleaned.
Left.
It's super easy. And now
right.
I can accessorize with some mums or pansies or kale or violas or
okay, don't need this stuff anymore.
There's a whole series of plants.
Okay, let's make sure it goes into Bluetooth pairing mode.
Fill in those little pockets.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that, and now let's make sure it plays music stored
I've cleared out
on a USB stick.
Tomatillos are gone. A couple tomatoes are, they're just kind of.
Okay, so you know that works. Okay, let's go over to FM, which if you don't have an AM-FM switch, the way we switch between AM-FM is to turn it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. We'll just go down the dial, make sure we pick up some FM stations.
That revisits movies from that great movie.
En el que hacemos la crítica. Is my... You bring me down. There ain't nothing about you. We're playing the music that got you. Okay. Name with a song.
Very high location. Like, dude, you're down.
Baby, you be like heaven.
Accident. Today's hit stuck
Religiously.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka as usual.
Knock the blues for a loop. What I'm dreaming of. I'm a big gorilla. There is no other around. You'll find out you love.
Our specialty is
pull the tape. Radio comes back. So that's everything working. And let's check the dial light real quick. You may not be able to see it, but I will. Yep, you can see it flashing on and off at the bottom of the dial there when I disconnect and reconnect it. So we're good to go. She's ready to go back. I'm ready to hit the post office because this customer's pretty anxious about getting his radio back. So there we go. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. You've just seen what I could do to your old AM 8-track. I can turn it into an AM FM 8-track with Bluetooth, HD radio, USB, aux input. Who knows what else by the time you're ready to send your radio in for service. So thanks so much for watching, listening, you guys, and thank you, Ed, for your business all the way from Hudson, Florida. And we'll see you guys next time.